Okay, so my screen is visible. See, just this is link. Okay, you just click here. Okay, when after click, just keep your password. Suppose that actually I am an employee to do work, so you are fresher. So what you need to do? You just go. Okay, search Neo Doctor. Search only Neo Doctor. Just Neo Doctor. Okay, then whenever go in Neo Doctor company, there are lots of company careers website. Go first career website. Okay, this is the career website Neo Doctor. Okay, then after see here explore opening, then after you can go here, see web development, self study, and then after you come here, see when our here actually when opening is coming for internship showing, see career branding, healthcare, event portfolio, how we will work. So once click here, wait, network will come in. Yeah, so it's showing look like new doctor smart session. Okay, so see here, if you want to connect with HR, you just click here and send your resume directly. They will consider also. And other thing, if you want to apply company just like intern, so you can click Neo Doctor internship. So actually here, actually here internship opening is nowadays not coming. Okay, so when coming, just suppose that if you want to do work as a part of some product launch manager, just like but if you have a knowledge about coding, so suppose if you want to do work with a project manager, just click here. Okay, wait for few minutes, just click here. Okay, now coming. Okay, then what you need to do, just they had mentioned qualification, bachelor degree project management business related experience 10 years. They had asking this type of knowledge. Okay, first of all read this all thing, then you can go and this WhatsApp number and pre-install also, click once here, apply. And other thing I want to say one thing, go back. Yeah, and suppose that you are doing work as a part of digital media marketing manager, just click here. Once click, wait for few minutes. Yeah, so they had mentioned responsibility and your qualification. If your qualification will match, then you can apply. Okay, this is a part of in new company. Okay, so I want to say in web development, how can you do work with web development. See, so digital marketing internship course of web development internship, see click once here, web development, website development. Okay, so once if you want to do work with just like in a web development, see here where is web development. So I'm searching, suppose I want to actually here not available. So once you go back, see here, just like fresher 1 to 2 years experience job, former internship, group development, click once here. Yeah, so if you want to apply, once click here, there are lots of role is there, just click and apply. See, apply
Bro,
apply is coming
bro,
now.
bro,
Yeah,
no internship is available.
yeah, internship available. Okay,
About AML is available or not, bro? Only
AIM
web
available,
development.
AIM available, brother. So
Okay.
further, yeah, so I will explain how can you apply. See, further in this near doctor company, they had mentioned associate AI group target audience analysis intern, just click here apply. But before we still need to identify what they had mentioned, responsibility, collaboration with group, conduct a depth target audience analysis, this all thing first of all you still need to study, then after you click and just apply. Just suppose that I click here. Okay, and then start. How, just click here. Yeah, just today date, just I had mentioned today date, just like. Okay, then next, tell first them, tell me name anyone who want to apply. And day after tomorrow you got offer letter also. Anyone want to do this work?
Mm, bro, they will provide stipend.
Yeah, it's type 1,33,000.
I am interested, bro.
Okay, so wait 1 minute, I
Bro,
will
I'm
show
also
you.
interested, bro.
Okay, you are also interested.
Yes, bro, I'm also interested.
Okay, 1 minute. See, first of all, I want to show one thing. First of all, go back.
Bro, which website, bro? You saw the
See,
website, bro.
yeah, I will send link also. If you want, you can add my reference. I will give you.
Bro, we need a CGPA
Yeah,
for applying this.
yeah, I will send link here. You can just apply.
Bro,
Yeah,
they will take according to interview, huh? They will
yeah,
take interview.
everything. Yeah, everything process sequence wise is there, brother.
What
Brother, first
what
of all about yeah.
what are the eligibilities
Yeah,
we
yeah,
want to?
wait. Suppose that you want to go as a part of web development, okay? You want to go as a part of AI, machine learning. So further, we should need to learn about this entire thing. They will asking coding language. First round, they will asking coding language. If you have knowledge as a part of in coding, suppose at Python, which also in aptitude, not as a part of only in Python. They will also asking as a part of journey of coding, okay? Okay, Ravi sir. So, brother Najar, what I am saying, listen carefully. So, this new doctor company, they will ask just like as a part of coding as a Python. Suppose that you want to apply in AI, means artificial intelligence, as a part of machine learning, data science, anywhere if you want to apply. So, you should need to knowledge about Python as well as OOPS, as well as you have knowledge deep in data structure, as well as you have knowledge in aptitude. But we can say this company is very easily you can crack. I know, because I will tell one thing just for reference. I can't say just like you follow that like, but nowadays chat gpt is coming now. You can go and easily you can find that answer, okay? But interview you should need to crack, you should need to learn about oops concept, and as a part of technical question they will ask suddenly. So further what should need to do, just attend interview, what they asking question, just casually reply, okay? But how to fill that form, I had sent a link in your chat box. But one person anyone tell, I will fill your name, and day after tomorrow you got
Let's go.
offer letter. Okay, so
Okay.
tell me your name, spelling, tell.
Sheikh Muhammad Faz.
Spelling, tell.
SHAIK
SHAIK
MOHA
HAMAD
MMAD
MAMAD. Okay,
MM not
double M
MMA.
MMAD. Okay,
AD.
okay, this is full name.
FAYZ
FAYAZ.
AZ.
Okay, next, just everyone listen. So suppose that if you want to keep in last name, just keep backside, okay? I hope my screen is visible, everyone.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
Yes,
Okay,
sir. Visual.
okay. So last name Fayaz, okay, and then after email ID, tell your email ID, brother.
Fayaz Sheikh.
FAYAZ Fayaz.
Small.
1 minute. FAYAZ is Fayaz Sheikh. Fayaz Sheikh.
Fayaz SHAIK
SHAIK
MD
MD
10
10.
@gmail.com.
Okay. Next phone number
90140
90.
Where this company is
90140.
located, bro?
Yes, brother. Who told?
Where this company is located, bro?
This company, international company, it is located in Bangalore. Okay.
Okay, bro.
Bro, do we need a CGPA for attending this company?
Actually, brother, in this company, no need CGPA, but here required minimum 7.5.
So, average
Okay.
CGPA or current semester CGPA, no?
Overall CGPA 7.5.
Okay.
Okay, and because this is very useful for also in if you when you complete it, you can claim your university for 2 credit.
But
Yes, Hariom.
okay, what is the start company?
Yeah, actually that company is based on a service-based company, and that company is situated in Bangalore. That's it is an international company, and it's situated in India in Bangalore. Okay, and further, wait for a few minutes. I will explain about.
Starting salary of
No, actually that's a part of internship. When you complete internship, they will provide $1,500. Okay.
oh,
Wait, I will show you our offer letter.